ये स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम आज चालू करने जा रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑफ योर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.2, जहाँ पे कहा गया है, वो हम देख लें क्या कहा गया है क्वेश्चन में। ऑन कंपेयरिंग द रेशियोज a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, फाइंड आउट वेदर द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस आर कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट। हमें जो इक्वेशंस दी गई हैं, पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशंस, हमने इनको क्लासिफाई करना है कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट इक्वेशंस में। तो इसके लिए हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में सीखा था पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन कब कंसिस्टेंट होगी इनकंसिस्टेंट होगी। प्रीवियस लेक्चर को हम देख लें पहले क्या कहा गया था। तो प्रीवियस लेक्चर हमने पढ़ा था कि इफ़ यू हैव ए पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equal to 0, a general pair of equations in two variables, then comparing the ratio of coefficient, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, we can decide whether the system is consistent or inconsistent, like this. If the ratio of the coefficients, that is a1 by a2, is not equal to b1 by b2, if the ratio of coefficients of x is not equal to the ratio of coefficients of y, that is a1 by a2 is not a1 by a2, if this ratio is not equal to this ratio, then the system, the pair of equations is said to be consistent. So we call it as consistent in this case, consistent pair. In the other case, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c, if all the ratios are equal, then in this case it is also called consistent but dependent. We call it also as consistent in this case as well. And in both the cases, in first case the system will have, the pair of equations will have unique solution. In the second case, it is also constant pair. This is the, and it will have infinitely many solutions. In the third case, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then we call it as inconsistent pair. So there is only one condition for inconsistency, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, that is the ratio of coefficients of x and y are equal but are not equal to the ratio of the constant terms. In that case we call it as inconsistent pair, and in this case it will have no solutions. So now we can now classify the pair of equations into consistent and inconsistent pair accordingly, keeping in view these three conditions. Now coming to the question number, that is question number 3, part number first, that is given over here on the textbook. 3 times x plus 2 times y equal to 5, and another equation is twice x minus 3 thrice y is equal to 7. Let me solve it. Let us rewrite the equation as such. The above pair can be written as, in the general way, we can write it as 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 on transposing 5 to the left side, and another equation, that 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So we put them in accordance with the general forms. तो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं a1. Now here we can compute, or we can denote it by equation first and it by second equation second. Now you can have a look on the coefficients. Over here a1 is equal to is 3, coefficient of x in equation first is 3, and coefficient of y in equation first will be denoted by b1, that is equal to 2, and coefficient and constant term equation first is denoted by c1 minus 5. Similarly, a2 will be the coefficient of x in equation second, that is equal to 2 over here, and b2 means coefficient of y in equation second, that is equal to minus 3, and c2 is the constant term in equation second, that is minus 7. Now we can find the ratios of the coefficients. a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2. Simply b1 by b2 is equal to simply 2 by minus 3, that means minus 2 by 3, and c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 7, minus and minus will go. तो इस तरह से हमें समझ आया, क्या समझ आया हमें, वो ये है a1 by a2, these two ratios are not equal, is not equal to b1 by b2. So if the ratios are not equal, then we can say that therefore the pair of equations is consistent. So it is consistent pair. Similarly, we can have a look on the another example. Example number second, that is 9x plus 3y plus sorry it is like this, 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, and another equation is 4x 6y is equal to 9. So let us solve this here for consistency and inconsistency. So we have 2x minus 3y in a standard form. We can write it as minus 8 equal to 0, transposing it to the left side. Similarly, 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0 is will be called equal first, and then this is called equal second. Over here you see that a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3, and c1 is minus 8, a2 is 4, b2 is minus 6 is the coefficient of y in equation second, and c2 is the coefficient of constant term in equation second, that is minus 9. Now finding the ratio. Now a1 divided by a2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1/2. Similarly, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 6, 3 1 is 3 2 is, that is also 1/2, and c1 by c2 you can write minus 8 by minus 9, that is equal to 8 by 9 only. So in the above case we see that, so क्या हम देख सकते हैं a1 by a2 is equal to, these two ratios are equal, both are equal to 1/2, like this, like this. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to this ratio, but not equal to c1 by c2. So in this case we say that the pair of equations is inconsistent. Therefore pair of equations is or we can say given pair of equations, given pair is inconsistent. So it is inconsistent pair of equations. So in this way we can do it.